Before. To-do list. Unboxing. Some parcels and some things.
Hey guys, so I'm going to unbox some parcels today and some things that I have bought from the store. So let's get right to it. One that I bought from Mr. DIY. So it's time for the reveal. Let's see this one. See guys, it's a round pillow and it's so cute and pink. See, it's so comfortable. I was so hesitate if I'm going to buy this one, but at last I decided to bought this one because it's so cute. Look at this. The other one is this one. I bought this from our local store here in LA. So this is a pink rock. See? It's pink. All pink. There's a shape and a moon here. And I love this one. And next, guys, it's time to unbox the parcels. So I have my scissors here. And let us start with this one. This tiny one. I don't know what this is. But I just collect all the parcels and to make this video. So again, let us start this one. I need to be careful because I might damage the product. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Ah, it's a pillowcase. Look at this, guys. My pillowcase, guys. Oh my god, it's upside down. A pillowcase. This is a character from Genshin Impact. Look at this. This is a character from, again, this is character from a Genshin Impact. It's Miko. Oh, it's a pillowcase. My goodness, it's so big, guys. I love this fabric and the print. Look at this one. So happy. Yay, Miko. And the next one is this. I'm so excited, guys. There's more parcels to go. Let's unbox this. Wow, again, look at this. This is also a character. It's the same. It's Yai Miko, guys. Look at this. Yai Miko. I will show you this. I think this is a poster. Yeah, let's try to open this one. This is a poster that I ordered. Let's see. Wow. Oh my god. Look. Yeah, it's a poster. You can hang it on your door or on your wall here, maybe. So let's see. Let's try when we redecorate the room. And the other one is this for a desk. I will show you later. Now it's this one. It's flat. See? So let's try to open this and box. Oh, it's also the posters that I ordered. This is great, guys, because this is a set. Look at this. It's also Yamiko because I love her. See? This is a case set that I ordered. This is a poster. Again, it's a character from Genshin Impact. This one. Let's try to unbox this. Let's unbox it rather. Oh, it's packaged really well. I'm so excited. Because I remember the seller sent me this through the message. I forgot what is this way. Okay. Still recording? Yeah, it's still recording. Ah, now I remembered. This is a flower vase. Yeah, a plastic one. See? This is a flower vase. Flower vase, guys. It's just plastic one. See? Let's go with this one. It feels light. Gaan na kayo siya, guys. So, unbox this one. What is this? What is this one? Wait. Ah, wow, it's the tulips that I ordered. Look, the other one is some kind of yellow, yeah, yellow, and this one is white and pink. Wow, it's perfect for my flower vase. See? Some artificial tulips to make my desk looks good, aesthetic. So it's time for the bigger parcels to unbox this one. Let's try to unbox. Take some time to cut this. Oh, it's pink. Wait. Wait a minute. Oh, this is the bed sheet. Look, looks like this. This is the bed sheet. Again, it's pink. I know. It's pink. And I already know what is this. The bed sheet. I will show you later. Next, it's kind of heavy, guys. What is this? Let us find out. Lots of parcels. This one. Oh, it's pink again. It's pink. Home textile. Yeah, I believe this is a blanket. Let's see the quality. Check this. Wow. I like this one. It's so soft. It's also pink. I love pink now. I love it. Oh, it's so soft. Look at the quality. See? It's ginormous. It's big. And for the last one, the last parcel, guys. This one is heavy. I wonder what this is. Again, it's big, I know. It's the cortina or curtain. Wow. My goodness, guys. Cortina, guys. Oh my God. I love it. Love the quality, guys. See? I ordered the 7 feet long. See, you can see the quality, guys. Huh? Very makapal. Makapal, thick.
That's all, guys. SHOPEE links will be found in the description below. Stay tuned for the part 2 of my room makeover. Part 2 will be uploaded next week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless.